Hello friends, welcome back to Wheels 24. Today we are deep diving into the biggest SUV, the Mahindra Scorpio N Z8 Turbo Manual Petrol variant. Special thanks to Anant Autocast Limited in Old Madras Road near SBR Kirti, Bengaluru for the support. Highly recommended for vehicle sales and services. Moving on to the key, the Scorpio N gets a premium flip key with lock, unlock and follow me home headlamp controls. In the front, you get the signature chrome talon grille with the Mahindra's new twin peak logo in the center. The dual projector LED lamps paired with the fog lamps surrounded by chrome inserts and sting-shaped DRLs. The honeycomb pattern plastic frame and the chrome bumper adds a commanding look to the Scorpio. Moving to the side, you will realize how massive the vehicle is. This SUV gets 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels with tire profile 255 by 60 R18. It gets a black color body cladding and a footstep on both sides. You will get electrically adjustable auto folding and body color ORVMs with turn indicator on it. The door handle comes with a chrome finish and a window beading that enhances the vehicle's overall appearance. The ABS pillars are black. Here you will get a fully functional roof rails, making it practical for carrying additional luggage. The ground clearance is 187 mm, helping the car tackle rough roads and speed breakers with ease. On the back, the Mahindra Scorpio gets vertical tall tail lamps, Scorpio N badging, and Mahindra logo in the center. The tailgates open sideways, giving access to the boot. Here you get a 460 liters of massive boot space when the third row is folded. Let me pull the third row back. After pulling, the boot space becomes 110 liters, which is decent in a 7-seater SUV. Let me close the tailgate. The spare wheel is a steel rim and 1 inch shorter than the other wheels, situated in the bottom of the vehicle. Alright, now that we have covered the exterior, let's step inside the cabin and check out what features this car has to offer. So let's get into the car and take a closer look. The door comes with black and coffee brown dual tone colors. You'll get all 4 power window controls, lock and unlock button, ORVM controls and auto folding functionality, silver door interior handles and a soft touch leather padding, 1 liter water bottle holder and a speaker placement in the bottom. Driver's side grab handle mounted on the A pillar, a neatly designed rectangle AC vents with chrome surroundings. You'll get a push start stop button, there's a headlight level adjuster and a bonnet lever, ABC pedals. The interior theme is appealing in combination of colors, making it look premium. Seats are in black and brown dual tone leatherette finish, which enhances the cabin aesthetics and overall sense of comfort. The driver's seat comes with 6-way electrical adjustment, the headrest is manual. Now let's get into the driver's seat and take a closer look at the interior and the dashboard layout. Let's take a closer look at the layout. Let me switch on the ignition and show you the instrumental cluster, graphics and the various details available on the instrumental cluster. This is a 17.8-inch semi-digital cluster with adjustable brightness. You can see the digital speedometer on the left and the tachometer on the right. The digital display in the center shows distance to empty, average fuel consumption, gear indicator, odometer, trip meters, average speed and the digital clock. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather and Mahindra logo in the center. The wheel is equipped with mounted controls on both the sides. On the right side, you can see the cruise control buttons and the dedicated button to operate the digital instrumental cluster. Here you can see the total trip, average fuel consumption and other details can be accessed from here. On the left, you can find the audio controls, calling function and Alexa voice assistant. Here you get a 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay paired with 12 speakers audio setup. The touch system is so smooth. The connectivity options include Bluetooth, USB Type-C and even a smartwatch. This system supports GPS navigation, voice commands and Alexa voice assistant. You can see knobs for volume control and other action buttons. The car comes equipped with a dual zone automatic climate control, allowing both front occupants to set their preferred temperatures individually, along with the separate fan speed controls. Multiple car control buttons are placed below the AC controls. And here you can find a 65-watt Type-C port and a USB port, along with passenger airbags on and off control. You can find some storage space here and 6-speed manual gearbox with rear wheel drive and manual parking brake, along with 2 cup holders and a big size armrest in the center. It is wrapped with leather. Under the armrest, you can find decent amount of storage space. The co-driver sun visor comes with a large vanity mirror and a LED electrical lamp on the top. You can find a sunglass holder in the middle and two LED reading lamps in the center, and a auto-dimming IRVM. On the driver's side, there is no vanity mirror, only a ticket holder. The integrated speakers are positioned at the top of the both driver and the co-driver sides. The microphone is centrally located. The dashboard is wrapped in a premium soft leather, enhancing the overall interior quality. The glove box offers decent storage capacity with good depth, and it is equipped with a LED light for added convenience. On the co-driver side, we can find the power window switch, silver grab handles, silver door opener lid, and a speaker with 1 liter bottle holding capacity. This car is a beast with massive dimensions, a wheelbase of 3750 mm and a fuel tank capacity of 57 liters. Let's step into the second row and take a look. The door panel comes with a piano black finish with soft touch leather, power window switch, silver finished grab handles and door opener lid, speaker placement and 1 liter bottle holder. The second row comes with a bench type seating and a 60-40 split folding. These seats are provided with adjustable headrest. The third row seating can be folded completely flat. The second row passengers are provided with rear AC vents under the driver's armrest, a fan knob control and a 65-watt USB Type-C charging port. A massive size sunroof makes the interior feel luxurious. The sleek black roof rails on the top add sporty feeling and helps in improving aerodynamics. Overall, the dashboard looks so premium with high quality material and an excellent fit. Let's take a look under the hood. Let me pull the bonnet lever and show you the engine bay. Scorpio N Z8 comes with a 2-liter 4-cylinder 4-volt DOHC petrol engine that delivers 200 bhp of power and 375 Nm torque. Safety features include all disc brakes, ABS with EBD, tire pressure monitoring system, hill hold control and standard 6 airbags.